K-Drama Review, A Judge from Hell. Sa mga nag-abang sa Watch With Me series ko for A Judge from Hell, I'm very sorry nang hindi ko siya natuloy kasi wala, na-busy lang talaga. Anyway, natapos ko ng A Judge from Hell, it was good. Kung naghahanap ka ng kilig drama from Park Shin-hye, hindi ito yon. This focuses more on crime, legal, and fantasy. And the violence. Yung storya kasi ni Kang-bit na at saka ni Han Daon is parang Twilight series. Si Kang-bit na yung demonyo, tapos si Han Daon yung innocent person. Minding their own business lang sila, and then they meet, and the lion fell in love with the lamb. Pero overall, it was a good drama. Coming from a Park Shin-hye fan, this is very, very, very satisfying na makita siya nang hindi siya naghihirap this time. Wala siyang rising to power story dito dahil simulat sa pool, mayaman at malakas na siya. So yes, I would recommend this drama. Huwag ka lang mag-expect mga kilig scenes. But expect a lot of violence though.